How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got another 2 tickets here. We got 2 of the $20 230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now these tickets here, we have the overall odds are going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. Let's go ahead and turn these back over. Today we have tickets number 11 and 12. We are going to get started on ticket number 11 here. We are looking to reveal that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly, or that 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. This one's got a little something I've never seen before. It's got like little ghost stars there in the background of the winning numbers there. It's a little odd. All right, let's get into it. We're going to start out with ticket number 11 there. Get into it and get some wins, guys. This is ticket number 11, and our winning numbers are going to be 34, 32, 38, 8, 28, 40, and 42. All right, let's see. Can we get lucky today? I'm going to start out with a 31, 3, 14, 12, 2. Nothing there. 50, 6, 1, 4, 16. 7, 43, 46, 23, 45. 35, 36, 21, 33, 29. Lots of one-offs. All right, last row. Let's see. Can we get a lucky 17, 5, 11? A lucky 44, not going to help us today. And in the corner, we got 18. All right, so it looks like ticket number 11 is going to be a loser. Set that to the side. Move on to ticket number 12 here. Same thing with this one. We got little ghost images in the background there on our winning numbers, the stars. Let's see. Our winning numbers on this one are going to be 25, 38, 35, 6. Ooh, there's my lucky 44, 31, and 37. All right, let's see. Can we save the day on the last ticket? I'm going to start out with a 1 off 34, 13, 8, 3, 28. Nothing there. We got 36, 10, 39, 21, 4. 16, 43, 29, 48, 24. Nothing there. We still got a chance. We got 2 rows left, and it only takes 1, guys. Not that one. 40, 11, 2, 50, 17. 46, 33, 1, 9, and in the corner, we got a save, guys. We got a 37 in the corner to save the day. All right, let's see what we get here. Come on, something big. Hey, we got $20 back. We will take it. All right, guys, we got that 1 win there for $20 and 1 loss. We lost a total of $20 this session. As always, guys, if you would consider hitting that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you all tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.